yourself, do you know what it's like when you wish you were someone else who didn't need your help to get by? Do you know what it's like to wanna surrender? I don't wanna feel like this tomorrow. I don't wanna live like this today. Make me feel better. I wanna feel better. Stay with me here now and never surrender. Never surrender. Do you know what it's like when you're not who you wanna be? Do you know what it's like to be your own worst enemy? Who sees the things in me